Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going deep into one of the most important words in English, can. By the end of this video, you'll understand can from the basics all the way to advanced natural usage. Let's get started. Beginner level. Let's start simple. Can is a modal verb. This means it never changes form. We don't say he cans or she cans. We always say can no matter who we're talking about. I can. You can. He can, she can, we can, they can. Another important rule, after can, we use the base form of the verb with no to. For example, we say, she can swim, not she can to swim. Remember that, no to after can. Now let's look at the first, most basic use of can, talking about, ability, things we are able to do. For example, I can speak Spanish, birds can fly. My brother can play the piano. Next, permission, asking or giving someone permission to do something. For example, can I use your phone? You can go now. Can I open the window? Intermediate level. Now let's move a little deeper. Can is also used to talk about possibility, something that sometimes happens or could happen. For example, it can rain a lot in April. Traffic can be really bad in the morning. Learning a new language can be difficult at first. We also use can for requests when we're asking someone to do something for us. For example, can you pass the salt, please? Can you help me with this bag? Now, let's talk about the negative form. To make can negative, we add not, forming cannot, or the short, more common form, can't. For example, I can't drive. She cannot come today. We can't find our keys. Small tip. In spoken English, we almost always use can't, not cannot. Cannot sounds more formal and is common in writing. For questions, we simply move can before the subject. For example, can you help me? Can he cook? Can they come tonight? And for the past form, we use could. For example, when I was 10, I could run very fast. I could speak French when I was younger, but I've forgotten a lot. Advanced level. Now, let's move to more advanced natural uses of can, the kind native speakers use every day. First, can versus be able to. We usually use can for general ability, but be able to is necessary in situations can cannot cover, like the future or perfect tenses. For example, we say, I will be able to finish this by Friday, not I can finish this. And we say, I haven't been able to sleep well, not I could sleep well. So remember, can only works in the present and as could in the past. For every other tense, we need be able to. Next, advanced possibility and deduction. Can is sometimes used to express what is generally true or theoretically possible, especially in more formal or academic English. For example, stress can lead to serious health problems. This medication can cause dizziness in some patients. Notice how this is different from may or might, which express a more specific, uncertain possibility about one particular situation. Compare, it can be cold in winter here, a general fact, with it might be cold tomorrow, a specific prediction. Now, an advanced structure, can't have, plus a past participle, used to express that we're confident something didn't happen, a kind of past deduction. For example, he can't have finished already, it's only been 5 minutes. She can't have forgotten, I just reminded her yesterday. This is different from couldn't have, which we use for things that were impossible in a specific situation. For example, I couldn't have passed that test without your help. One more advanced point. In polite, formal English, especially in emails or professional settings, we often replace can with could or would be able to sound more polite and less direct. Compare, can you send me the report, direct and casual, with could you send me the report? Or would you be able to send me the report? More polite and professional. Practice now. Let's practice everything we've learned. Try to complete these sentences in your head or write them in the comments. Number 1. I swim very well when I was a child, but now I'm out of practice. Think. Past ability. Number 2. You please send me the file by tomorrow? Think, polite request. Number 3. This app Ta will be really useful once you get used to it. Think general possibility. Number 4. She, sas, have left already. Her car is still here. Think confident deduction. Pause the video and check your answers or share them in the comments below. Outro, great job. Today, you learned can from the basics, ability and permission, all the way to advanced uses like deduction, formal alternatives, and the difference between can and be able to. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more English lessons. See you in the next video.